Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for the best 360-degree dash cams in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best 360-degree dash cams in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam is the ultimate solution for complete vehicle surveillance. Designed for maximum coverage, it captures footage from the front, rear, inside, and both sides, ensuring no blind spots are left unchecked. Equipped with a built-in GPS, this dashcam provides accurate location tracking and speed data, adding valuable context to your recordings. With integrated Wi-Fi, accessing and sharing your footage is seamless through the dedicated app. Its superior night vision capabilities, powered by advanced infrared technology, ensure crystal clear video even in low light conditions. Whether driving at night or parking in dimly lit areas, you can trust the PRUVEEO dashcam to deliver sharp and detailed recordings. The 24/7 recording feature, paired with parking mode, provides continuous protection for your vehicle. It automatically detects motion or impacts, recording incidents even when you're away. Built to endure various weather conditions, this durable and reliable dashcam is a must-have for car owners who prioritize safety and security. Choose PRUVEEO for a comprehensive, high-performance dashcam solution. Number 2. Neideso 360-degree dashcam, comprehensive protection for every drive. The Neideso 360-degree dashcam is your ultimate driving companion, offering unparalleled coverage with its 4-channel recording capability. Featuring 4 1080p Full HD cameras, it captures crisp and clear footage from the front, rear, and inside your vehicle, ensuring no detail is missed. The front camera delivers 2K plus 1080p resolution, providing superior clarity for every journey. Stay connected and in control with Wi-Fi and GPS functionality, enabling seamless video downloads and precise route tracking. With voice control, hands-free operation ensures a safer driving experience. Whether it's day or night, the advanced night vision and wide dynamic range technology ensure clear visibility in low-light conditions. The Neideso dashcam includes a 64GB memory card, ready to use straight out of the box. Its loop recording feature automatically overwrites old footage, ensuring you never run out of space. Designed for reliability and ease, this dashcam is the perfect blend of technology and convenience, making every drive safer and more secure. Elevate your driving experience with Neideso, where safety meets innovation. Number 3. The PRUVEEO 360-degree dashcam is your ultimate companion for complete driving security. Equipped with 4 channels, front, rear, inside, and left, right views, it ensures no blind spots on the road or inside your vehicle. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or managing a fleet, this dashcam provides comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. Featuring built-in GPS, it accurately records your location and speed, ideal for legal and insurance purposes. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows seamless access to videos via your smartphone, making sharing and reviewing footage effortless. The advanced night vision technology ensures crystal clear recordings, even in low-light conditions, while the corporal filter reduces glare for enhanced video quality. Designed for reliability, the 24/7 recording feature with a parking mode monitors your car around the clock, ensuring safety even when you're away. Its compact, durable design blends perfectly with any car interior. With the PRUVEEO 360-degree dashcam, experience cutting-edge innovation that prioritizes your safety and convenience. Stay protected, stay connected, drive with confidence. Number 4. 360 dashcam front and rear inside, 4-channel dash camera for cars. Capture every moment on the road with the 360 dashcam, offering 4-channel recording in crystal clear FHD 1080p resolution. Cover the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously, ensuring maximum safety and security. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you easily transfer videos to your smartphone for seamless playback and sharing, while the 3.16 inches IPS screen provides a clear, user-friendly interface. With WDR, Wide Dynamic Range Night Vision, this dashcam ensures high-quality footage even in low-light conditions, so you're covered day or night. Equipped with a 64GB card, you'll have plenty of storage space for your recordings, and the 24-hour parking mode offers around-the-clock protection, detecting motion and recording incidents even when your car is parked. Sleek and reliable, this dashcam is the perfect companion for daily commutes, road trips, or rideshare drivers, giving you peace of mind with comprehensive coverage. Experience advanced technology, enhanced safety, and effortless operation with the 360 dashcam front and rear inside. Number 5. The iiwey T1 Pro dashcam is the ultimate solution for capturing every moment on the road with its advanced 3-channel 1080p system. Featuring front, rear, and interior cameras, this dashcam ensures full coverage of your car's surroundings. Whether you're driving during the day or night, the adjustable lens and 8 IR lamps provide crystal clear footage, even in low light conditions. The triple-channel setup captures not only the road ahead but also the interior of your vehicle and what's behind you, giving you peace of mind and extra security. The cameras record in high-definition 1080p resolution, delivering sharp and detailed video, which can be crucial in case of accidents or disputes. Equipped with a wide-angle lens, it covers more area, ensuring that nothing is missed. The dashcam's night vision capability guarantees clear recordings even in dark conditions. The iiwey T1 Pro is designed for easy installation and comes with all necessary accessories, making it a perfect choice for those who value safety and clarity on the road. Stay protected with the iiwey T1 Pro dashcam and drive with confidence.